Greetings everyone, this is Elijah from Financial Anatomy coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. Are you ready to talk about the Venmo app? Because that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. In particular, how can you find the QR code for Venmo? This is important because it allows you to pay in probably the most convenient way if someone's in front of you, or you can just send them the QR code too. Start off by opening the Venmo app up and click on where it says scan at the top of the screen. This takes you to the place where you'll be able to scan someone else's code if you need to, but if you click on Venmo Me, it will pull up your Venmo QR code that's linked to your account. You can also click on Show to Pay, and this will allow you to pay at any business that accepts Venmo. Backing out of that, if for some reason this option isn't on your screen, just click on the Me icon in the bottom right hand corner, and then click on the QR code that's right next to your picture. And voila, you're taken to the same place. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that thumbs up if you found value in the video. I've also made several other tutorials about the Venmo app, so if you have any questions on how to do other things, check that playlist out linked in the description and the pinned comment. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.